Good morning. Today is April 29, 2020, and I like to work on our finances, and I like to take you along to show you, the different step of my way of handling our finances. And that's something I do with my husband, but we all work on it at different times, and then we will meet together to discuss it at the end of the month. So right now in this video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to work on our grocery list. I like to get it ready so that when my husband has the chance, he could shop for our ingredients. So let me first take you to my pantry. But before we get there, I think we need salt, and that is the last one. And I use pickling salt because it does not have caking agents in the anti-caking agent in the ingredients, so I like to go with it. And that's £4. It costs about $1 or something, and we purchased them as stock up at the end of 2018, and we used in 2019 until now, and now we are running out of it. I think I purchased quite many boxes in 2018, so I'm going to start stocking up little by little instead of waiting at the end of the year to do that. So I'm going to write it down here. I'm just going to put it down, and we'll go to the pantry. Let me turn the lights on here. And peanuts, I believe I only have 2 left, so we have been using it for porridge, whole wheat porridge. So I'm going to write it down. Roasted peanuts, I think I'll write 10 down. They cost about $1.89 for 16 pounds. And here, let's see, I have 1 ketchup all the way down there. So the kids has 3 boxes of cereal. I think that should be okay. In fact, I'm thinking about making bread, sourdough bread, every morning for them. I have spaghetti here and elbow macaroni. Elbow macaroni is all the way there, but I think I'm just going to buy the spaghetti, and that's £4. And what I noticed is when I'm cooking it, because I cooked it yesterday and we didn't have leftover, so I cook 2 pounds for 7 people in the house. And so that means if I cook it once a week, we'll use it in 2 weeks. If I cook it twice a week, we'll use 1 box a week. So that's 4 boxes for the month. So I'm going to write down spaghetti. I don't know what my budget will allow, but I think I'm going to write 4 boxes, assuming we are cooking it maximum twice a week. And I have elbow here, but I'm not sure I'm going to add it to it. And those are staples that I like to stock up on, have pasta on hand, and I don't like to have many different designs, which is good. This is £3, but I'm just going to go with what the store has. If £4 of spaghetti is cheaper, I might just stock up on that. So we are down to 1 boxes of each. So they will just stay there, and I'll add 4 more boxes to it. So that means a little by little I'll build it up. So we even have the leftover of spaghetti here. I just use Presso's box to put it in it. So that's that. And I have, I don't know if you can see it, but I use this long Pyrex jar, no, not jar, but glass for spaghettis. So we have some leftover of those. Let's see what else we need. Flour. I like to use unbleached flour, and that's there. Let's see if you'll be able to see it, but the store is not carrying it. There is the shortage for it. So recently my husband purchased the 5-pound bags for $5.48, and the unbleached is $1.22. So based on my calculation, we use about 5 5-pound bags of flour a month. So that means we are using this. We bought it in April and we are using it. So that means we have one that will go through May, but I'm going to put 2 on my list because I'm making sourdough bread and I want to have enough staples on hand for my cooking kids at home. I want to have staples on hand. So rice, I have one here that we purchased from Sam's Club before the shutdown. Is down there, and that's 25 pounds. But now we are just purchasing it from Walmart. That's the only store we are shopping now at 99% of the time. So we have, let's see here, and they don't carry it that often. That's 20 pounds for $8.48. So that's a little bit expensive, but that's fine. So that's 1, 2, 3. I have one that we are using and I wrote the date on it. I like to see how long that will take us to go through it so that I can have a better estimate. And I open it April 21st. So I like to see how long that will take me to go through that. But I'm estimating that I might go through two of that in a month because we cook rice twice at least a week. So, and I will cook 7 cups, but now I'm thinking about increasing it to 8 cups for each cooking. So we have 3 on hand, but I'm going to put it down here. I'm going to put 2. So I think that's pretty much what I think I need right now. I have sugar here, and I think I have one in my linen closet that I turn into pantry and kids school closets. But I'm going to write it down. It's 10-pound bag for about $3 something. So I'm going to write one down. We have been 50-pound bag. We open it, but we have it. We have popcorn here that I have not opened yet. So yeah, I think I have everything that I need here. And probably while we add it, I don't know, I can write toothpaste. I don't think I will need toothpaste. Yeah, I don't think I will need it. But tomato puree. Tomato puree, I think I will put 4 here. Why not? It costs 89 cents for 29 ounces. So I'm going to write it down. And we have one of the spaghetti here, and I don't know. Let's see if I can turn it over to be able to look. Tomato puree. Okay, so let's put this here. That's the only canned tomato that I purchased. and I make pizza sauce out of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I have 1, so 7. So if I assume that I use 1 a week for pizza sauce, I don't think I need this here. So that means I have 2 months on hand. I can just put 4 down here. So, and cheese. Cheese, I have 1 block in the freezer. I will put it down as well. More. Well, if I remember how to write mozzarella cheese, I like to buy the block and shred it myself. 2 pounds from Walmart. I think I'll get 1 of that, and I'll just put it in the freezer, and later I'll take it out, throw it in the fridge, shred it, put it in the back, and put it back in the freezer. We just use it. I will just take it out of the freezer when I'm ready to use it, and I'll put it back in the freezer. I don't keep those things in the fridge. So I think that's pretty much all we need. So let's get to, okay, so based on the time, I will end the video here, and I will start another one where I will show you how I'm going to add those staples on my spreadsheet to have an idea how much they will cost me, because I have the price on my spreadsheet, and I'll enter them to see how much it's going to cost me. My budget this month is $300, $150 for my groceries, staples, and I know 95 for meat, 90 or 95, 90, and 60 for fruits. So that will be 300. So 150 is what I'm going to spend on all of this, and I'm going to put something aside for milk and something aside for cereal for my husband. So therefore I need to put those on my spreadsheet to see if I can afford them, because I don't want to go over my budget. I want to have $20 on the side, so that if there is a sale, because summer is, spring started already, so they might start selling vegetables on sale. That's when I start stocking up on vegetables, and I have a lot of vegetables in my pantry, not in my freezer, and right now we start eating from the garden. So I don't buy vegetables, but I will stock up on vegetables when it's on sale. And this store has avocado for 48 cents a pound. Aldi has it for 69 cents a pound. So we will purchase this one to make salad during the week, and I'll harvest the greens from our garden to add it to where we are 7 in the house. If I purchase 7 of that and I add greens and edible weeds from the garden to it, we will have a bulky salad for dinner, and I'll make sourdough bread, no yeast, sourdough bread to go along with it. So I will put $20 on the side for those type of sales. So I need to put this on my spreadsheet to make sure I can stay within my budget. That's how I do my grocery list every month. Thank you for watching. I'm Afiavi Ojune Liberman, creators of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel and owners of Nina Soap. And our website is ninasoap.com.